A shifting climate refers to long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts occur over decades or even centuries. The Earth's climate has constantly changed throughout history. However, the current warming trend is alarmingly rapid. This rapid change is primarily driven by human activities since the 19th century, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. This human-induced climate change is primarily driven by the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth. However, human activities are intensifying this effect, leading to a warmer planet. Understanding the basics of climate change is crucial for comprehending the scale and urgency of the issue. Human activities are the dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas is a major contributor. This releases large amounts of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. Deforestation is another significant human activity that exacerbates climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Cutting down forests reduces the Earth's capacity to absorb these emissions, further increasing greenhouse gas concentrations. Agriculture, particularly livestock farming, also plays a role. Livestock, especially cattle, produce methane, another potent greenhouse gas, during digestion. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket around the Earth. They trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. This trapping of heat is essential for life on Earth. However, the increased concentration of these gases due to human activities is causing the planet to warm at an unnatural rate. Carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas emitted by human activities. It comes from burning fossil fuels for electricity, heat, and transportation. Methane, another potent greenhouse gas, is emitted from livestock, agricultural practices, and the production and transport of natural gas. Nitrous oxide, released from agricultural activities and industrial processes, also contributes to the greenhouse effect. Section 4. Consequences of a warming world, extreme weather and beyond. The effects of climate change are wide-ranging and impactful. One of the most noticeable effects is the increase in extreme weather events. These include heat waves, droughts, intense rainfall, and floods. Rising global temperatures also contribute to rising sea levels. This is due to the melting of glaciers and ice sheets and the expansion of seawater as it warms. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities and infrastructure. Climate change also has a significant impact on human health. Extreme heat can lead to heat stroke and other heat-related illnesses. Changes in weather patterns can also affect air quality, exacerbating respiratory problems. Section 5. The ripple effect. Impacts on wildlife and biodiversity. Climate change poses a significant threat to wildlife and biodiversity. Many species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing climate. Rising temperatures and changes in precipitation patterns are altering habitats, making them unsuitable for certain species. For example, polar bears rely on sea ice for hunting seals. As sea ice melts due to global warming, polar bears are losing their hunting grounds, threatening their survival. Coral reefs, home to a diverse array of marine life, are highly sensitive to changes in water temperature. Ocean acidification caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide by seawater further stresses coral reefs. Section 6. A call to action mitigating climate change for a sustainable future. Addressing climate change requires a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a more sustainable way of life. One crucial step is to transition away from fossil fuels and towards renewable energy sources. This includes investing in solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power. Improving energy efficiency is also crucial. This includes developing and using more energy-efficient appliances, buildings, and transportation systems. Protecting existing forests and planting new trees can help absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agricultural practices such as reducing deforestation for farmland and adopting climate-smart agriculture techniques can also contribute to mitigating climate change.